Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Daily Drug Info, and don't forget to subscribe Daily Drug Info to watch new videos. Today I will describe drug Fluconazole. Classification: triazole antifungal agent. Indications are oropharyngeal and esophageal candidiasis, serious systemic candidiasis infections, urinary tract infections, pneumonia, and peritonitis. Fluconazole is also used for AIDS patients with cryptococcal meningitis as supportive therapy and for acute treatment. Doses: oral and IV formulation. Adult dose 50 to 200 mg per day. In pediatric doses, children over 1 year, superficial congenital infection 1 to 2 mg per kg per day. Systemic and cryptococcal infections 3 to 6 mg per kg per day. Strengths are available in capsule formulation 150 mg, 200 mg and 50 mg. Injection formulation 100 mg per 50 ml. Pregnancy status: C. Adverse effects are nausea, vomiting, and elevation in liver functions test. Hypokalemia has been observed in patients with myeloid leukemia and QT prolongations. Thank you for watching Daily Drug Info.